For the past 2 years of online and modular learning, face-to-face learning is now once again available. Many students have dreamed about attending their ideal school where they can find a quality educational institution for their chosen courses. Luckily, we all discovered a great school that offers different courses where we could all learn new information, and a school that provides high-quality education to all students, and that is Bicol University.
Bicol University is a historical and educational institution. This state university in Legazpi City has grown to become one of the country's top regional universities, and it is one of the Philippines' most prestigious tertiary educational institutions.
We can personally attest to its superiority as it truly offers an unrivaled academic experience. BU provides an environment conducive to learning and personal growth, from abundant library resources to engaging lectures and interactive seminars. Bicol University's College of Business, Economics, and Management has been a great help throughout my university career. A diverse and multifaceted curriculum which provides students with a wealth of knowledge and experience to draw from.
From classrooms where professors share their knowledge and challenge us with inspiring case studies, to internship opportunities that give us real-world perspective, there's no shortage of opportunities to grow and develop here. Faculty and staff always go to great lengths to ensure that each student receives the personalized attention they need, fostering an environment of collaboration and innovation.
One of the courses that CBEM offered is Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. It is a 4-year degree program that teaches aspiring students, business owners, how to launch and run their ventures. This program is for those who are willing to take a chance to achieve their future objectives. This course will assist aspiring business owners in learning knowledge and abilities that will improve their chances of success. Bicol University's entrepreneurial students are a distinct breed of go-getters and innovators. If given the proper guidance, they have the potential to become successful entrepreneurs, driving change in their respective communities with their new ideas and revolutionary solutions. Many of these aspirant individuals came from low-income families and want to make a difference not only in their own lives but also in the lives of those around them.
We enrolled in this course to discover how to launch and manage business. Also want to learn how businesses operate and manage success. This course can assist us in growing, teach us how to operate businesses, and instill confidence in us. And this course can direct us on our path to be great entrepreneurs.
Our experience as an Entrep student, especially this course, taught us a lot of knowledge about starting and operating a business and spotting market and prospect. Entrepreneurship may be simple for some people, but it is challenging for us. So, if you really want to learn more about business, entrepreneurship is highly interesting. Lastly, our future goal is to become a successful entrepreneur, create great ventures, because we believe that doing so could help those unemployed people to have a job so that they would be able to provide for the needs of their family and also to raise the economic development of our country.